Nature-inspired art that never wilts. Transform any space with a lifelike orchid that captures the delicate beauty of real flowers without the upkeep. With 5 peach-toned blooms, budding flowers, and soft green leaves, this botanical masterpiece brings spring indoors all year round. No watering, no wilting, just timeless elegance in a display you build yourself. The perfect gift for any occasion. Whether it's for Mother's Day, a birthday, a graduation, or a thoughtful housewarming surprise, this LEGO set hits the sweet spot between creativity and charm. Designed for adults and nature lovers, it's a soothing and meaningful gift that keeps on giving, beautiful to build, beautiful to display. Chic decor for home, office, or desk. Say goodbye to bland workspaces and lifeless corners. This LEGO Orchid set comes with a stylish terracotta-colored pot and wood effect base, adding a refined, minimal aesthetic to any room. Perfect as a centerpiece, shelf accent, or conversation starter, this buildable flower is as decorative as it is delightful. Relaxing build, stunning result. With 274 carefully designed pieces and both digital and printed instructions, the build experience is as immersive and meditative as the finished piece is stunning. Whether you're a seasoned builder or new to LEGO, this project offers calm, focus, and a deeply rewarding result. Compact, elegant, display-ready, standing over 10 inches, 25 centimeters tall. This mini orchid is the ideal size for shelves, tables, or desktops. Its realistic scale and elegant proportions make it a subtle yet stunning display, piece perfect for small spaces that crave a natural touch.